What is up, everybody? Welcome back to your favorite place with your favorite girl. It ain't nobody else but me, simply K.Simone, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. What's up? Listen, I'm about to try to grill some burgers for the first time. I don't know about no grilling. I don't. My place is in the kitchen. Pause. But don't forget to check out the Coldest Water bottle. Link in the description box below. First link will be for a giveaway. The next link, if you'd like to make a purchase, just use code word simply. I'll give you 10% off your entire purchase. So yes, that's what we're about to do today. Stick with me, see how they turn out. Pray for me. Call the ambulance if I burn something down. So we have plant-based for those that don't eat meat, and regular burgers for those that do. So let's go to the grill. Put these bad babies on there and make it do what it's do. Okay? Okay. Alright, so hold up. I ain't even show y'all this part, right? So this for my ladies, just in case y'all try this one by yourself. Y'all got to turn this little thing on first, right? Where it say all the way to open. Yeah, because I almost forgot that part. And then I don't know what kind of grill this is. I have no idea. Thermos. I thought they only made thermoses, but whatever. Then you like turn this to high. There's 3 burners. And then you hit the little night button and then come on. I don't even know why I was scared all these years. But let's get back into the video. 400. Okay. The aroma. Okay, y'all, so we getting in there. We probably grill some, veggies on there too. And we're gonna tell you what it is. Don't ask me no questions. I don't know. I just trying to do that. At home grilling. Pray for me. We doing so far, are we? I think we okay. I think we good. Huh? We good. We still at it. I'm about to go get me a pepper. So good. First time grilling. They chill in the restaurant. My jalapeno, coming into fruition. Coldest water. Backyard vibe.
Few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later.
I feel like I left y'all hanging though a little bit, but that was my first time trying that. Well, look how she came out though. What? Baby.